how to change your IQ option password. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. Whether you want a better security, forgotten your old password, or just want something easier to remember, changing your IQ option password is quick and simple, so let's get started. First of all, open the IQ option app on your device and log into your account. From the home page, go to the top left corner and tap on the 3 horizontal menu button. Now from the expanded menu, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, tap on Security. Now, you'll open up the Privacy and Security tab where you'll need to click Change Password. Now go ahead and enter your current password in the first field. Once you are done typing in your current password, go to the New Password field and type down the new password you want to change to. Re-enter the new password once again in the last field. Finally, click Save at the top right corner. You have now successfully changed your password. If you don't remember your password, then simply go ahead and log out of your IQ option account, and then, while logging in, select the Forgot Password option, and you'll then be able to change your password like that as well. If you want to learn how to reset your password, then check out our other videos on the channel. So there you have it, that is how you can easily update your password to a new one in the IQ option account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.